Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you some outfits I came up with. In the first one, I am wearing a maroon colored graphic tee from Romwe.com. It has the Great Wave design on it. It is really comfy and I really like it. On the bottom, I am wearing these denim pants I made. They are high-waisted with some frayed V-shaped designs on the top. The second outfit is a more sporty one. I'm wearing a hoodie from Romwe.com, which also has the V-shaped design. I really like the colors and it is comfortable as well. I'm wearing Adidas track pants with it. For the last outfit, I paired this mesh top from H&M with the gingham dress also from Romwe.com. It is simple but pretty and I like the tie-up detail in the back. And that's it. Let me know which one was your favorite outfit and check out the description to links to the clothing. Bye!